I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm opening my beautiful Sooni pouch. Let's check out what's inside. Comes in a mailer like this, just so you guys know. It's heavy. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, I have something to tell you. It's nice to finally meet you. So they have this really nice little paper, and today it looks like it's saying stuff. Ooh, in all sorts of different languages. I don't know. Cool. Sooni pouch, thank you for subscribing. Lovingly prepared by, looks like Anne or Annie. Here is the insert. Loving that. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, coconut milk essential mask whitening. Deer berry rose hip tomato and chamomile mask. Pretty cool. Nature Republic mask sheet. Aqua, Super Aqua Max. Awesome. Ooh, we've got a whole bunch of little samples we'll come back to. Oh, sun. Multi-sun cream. Nice. Romantic whitening perfume lotion. And it has SPF. It's whitening and moisturizing. Cool. Collagen eye and face cream. Awesome. Perfect lip and eye remover. That is sweet. This box is killing it. Shampoo. I've never gotten a shampoo by a Toot House. Let's do a little bit of review really quick. Oh wait, let's well, no, it's gonna tell me. It's gonna tell me. Okay. A. Foodaholic Collagen Eye and Face Cream. An eye cream that contains hydrolyzed collagen water to improve skin's elasticity and moisture. So that's this here. Awesome. Okay. Misha Lip and Eye Makeup Remover. An oil-based lip and eye makeup remover used with cotton pads for the first step in cleansing. Lovely. I love the packaging. It's really pretty looking. Vaki Romantic Whitening Lotus Body Cream. A gentle body cream that contains lotus flower extracts for deep moisture and to help even the complexion. This is pretty cool. Love that. D. A Toot House Silk Scarf Damage Shampoo. A shampoo that contains 10 different proteins and 17 amino acids ingredients. Foodaholic Multi-Sun Cream. Sorry, guys. A gentle sunscreen that also contains skincare ingredients to even the complexion and improve skin condition. History of Woo Brightening Cleansing Foam. Oh, I missed one. So this is the History of Woo, Intensive Revitalizing Cream. 2 little samples. And this one's the cleansing foam. 2 little samples. And then I got the Nature Republic Super Aqua Mask Combination Watery Mask Sheet. I've got the Steam 107 Coconut Essential Mask. And I've got the Moshka Deerberry Face Mask. So, I mean, this is a great box. I got a ton of value. I'm really excited about all the items I got. This is one of the most, what am I going to say? One of the best values out of all the Korean beauty boxes that I do. I'm going to put the information in the description below, including the exact price and the website where you can get it. But I'm almost certain that this is around $35-ish a month. And this is their highest tier. They also have a $10 mask box and a mini pouch for like 20-ish bucks, and then of course this one for around $35, which is awesome. I got a lot of things for the price, and I really feel like I got my money's worth. So once again, this is the insert. This is Sooni pouch. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to your comments. Please like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Getting closer to that 200 subscriber giveaway. And as always, thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you soon.